Ang daming nagtatanong kung back to normal na ba yung pasukan next school year, which is mag-i-start ng June, tapos matatapos siya ng March. Sa katunayan, meron tayong na-receive na question. Ma'am, ask ko lang po kung totoo po ba yung balita na ibabalik na yung dating school year. End of school year on May 10. Ito po ang sagot natin dyan. Base sa DepEd Order number 34 Series of 2022, nag-start po yung ating school year 2023-2024 last year, which is August 28, 2023. At ayon din dito sa DepEd Order na to, matatapos ang ating school year, currently school year, on June 28, 2024. So, doon pa lang, imposible na yung kumakalat na balita na next school year, June na ang simula ng ating klase. This sa DepEd order na to, magsisimula ang ating school year 2024-2025 ng August 20